Hi there. I'm really excited about the little handcrafting project that I'm about to do today. It's for a book that was given to me a few years back. It is Point Counterpoint by Aldous Huxley. I've been really wanting to read this book, but I'm scared to turn the pages because, as you can see, the book is pretty wrecked and it's old. All the pages are yellow already, which is actually kind of cool, but it's very fragile and it's missing covers on both sides. So I'm hoping to make a paper cover for this book and do some decorating letters and maybe a little bit of sketch on the cover. And hopefully I can save this book and actually start reading it. It's both exciting and intimidating at the same time because I haven't done it since primary school. So we'll see how this comes out. Hope for the best. Now the book is wrapped. I wrapped it with paper that I can paint on, so it is so far so good. So I'm going to paint it now. So it came out pretty good. I'm really happy about it. I painted it with metallic copper. I think that's the color. And now it's properly covered. And I did a little art on it. Simple, but I like it. Now I can read it now. Success, I guess.